All right, top three things in my notebook. Number one, the euro. Number one, gold. Number two, and number three, the S&P 500. So first on the euro, you got to watch this one very, very closely because, of course, there is no catalyst in Europe other than central planning. Now, that catalyst is, of course, this week, which is on Thursday with the ECB meeting. Now, the question is, from this point, what is the trade, as Paul Tudor Jones would say? What is the trade from $1.15 on the euro versus the dollar? I think that it could actually be up in the very short term. Why would it be up? I don't think Draghi has it in him or constitutionally able to give the market really that delivering of the drugs that they're so effervescently looking for. So again, 119 is resistance for the euro versus the dollar. And again, that would be one heck of a bounce that you don't yet see on your screen. I'm not putting that on. I'm just saying it could happen because the probability obviously is rising now that we've tapped the low end of the range. Now, the second point on that, which I think is front running that explicitly, is what gold's doing. Now, again, how do you get gold up? You get the dollar down, so in other words, you get the euro up, and you get rates down. Now, rates have been going down, as you know, for a long period of time here now, going on over a year. Interest rates on the 10-year bond yield obviously down 15% for the year to date, so you're getting paid on the long bond. But again, rates down, dollar down, which of course you have developing into the ECB meeting. That could be an uber bullish catalyst for the price of gold. Again, now we're comfortably above the trend line on gold. It was up 5% last week. Our intermediate term trend line of resistance is now support at 1237. And no, I'm not going to chase it today just for kicks and giggles. Finally, S&P 500. After 3 consecutive down weeks, we get the bounce. 3 straight down weeks to start the year for the S&P 500, a 3.5% correction. Yes, corrections bounce. No, I'm not short the S&P 500. And no, I have nothing else to say after that because my voice is running dry. Those are your top 3 things.